Hey, let's make tiramisu. In this recipe, I'm going to use heavy whipping cream instead of using egg white for making classic tiramisu. First, you're going to add 1.5 cup of heavy whipping cream into your stand mixer, or you can use your hand mixer. We're going to beat it just a bit. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of a vanilla extract and beat it until it is nice and stiff on the peak. It will take approximately good 5 to 10 minutes or so. When it's all done beat it, I'm going to add this most important ingredient here. It's mascarpone cheese. It's slightly sweetened creamy cheese. And this is what you need to make tiramisu. You can see my whipping cream is whipped very properly. To that, I'm going to just add my mascarpone cheese right in. You can just gently forward it, or you can just use a mixer. One way or the other, you can just do as you please. For me, I'm just gonna use my stand mixer because I wanted to do it quick. And while it gets all mixed up, let's prepare our lady finger. You can make your own lady finger from scratch, but in this case I just bought store-bought and it's absolutely okay. And have 1.5 cup of cold espresso, and to here you can add some coffee liquor such as Kahlua. Sometimes it's nice to add a shot or two of Grand Marnier. Whatever coffee taste liquor you like to add, you can do that. Shot or two. You can add more if you like. Today I didn't add any because I was out of it, but that's absolutely okay. You just dip your lady finger really quickly into your cold espresso, let it soak the liquid, and put them on the bottom on your Pyrex dishes or baking dishes. But this dessert is not baked dessert. Let me remind you. I'm doing voiceover and there's my daughter laughing at me behind. Well, let's keep going. So with your whipping cream and mascarpone mix, you put it on a layer of your ladyfinger, dipped it in espresso, and you add another layer of ladyfinger on top of it. Wow, just like I'm doing on the video. Girl. Last and least, we're going to top up our whipping cream and cheese mixture right on top. This dessert is sweet, not too sweet. It's perfect dish right after your meal, with a shot of espresso even, or a shot of your porto wine. I love this dish and my family loves it. Well, I hope you try to make something similar. You can definitely use egg white. There's a lot of great recipe out there. Mine is just really simple, not crazy, difficult at all. On top of this delicious mixture, now we are going to top it up with cocoa powder for some dusting on top. You can go as heavy as you want, as light as you want. On that smooth surface, yes, on top, we... we're going to add generous amount of cocoa powder, and we will refrigerate it at least 3 to 4 hours up to overnight before serving. Enjoy your tiramisu, and if you like this video, follow and subscribe me for more. This was Luna May, and we'll see you again.